Hey there, I'm Jordan, and today I'm going to show you Harley-Davidson's Sunwash Bike Soap, how to apply it, and how it will turn your dirty motorcycle into a showroom floor beauty. Harley-Davidson Sunwash Bike Soap is a revolutionary way to keep your bike looking clean and shiny no matter the weather. With its unique formulated sheeting action, this product minimizes hard water spots and rinses clean even on hot days in the sun. Plus, it's safe for use on all vehicle surfaces, including denim paint, making it a great choice for Harley riders who want to take their bike care up a notch. Most bike wash products can only be used on cool days or in the shade. However, with Sunwash, you won't have to worry about that. It quickly breaks down dirt and grime from your ride and rinses off easily, so you won't have any unsightly streaks or spots left behind. The biodegradable formula ensures both a clean bike and a clean environment. The combination of a high concentration of surfactants, lubricants, and wetting agents makes this product ideal for cleaning all kinds of motorcycle surfaces. For optimal results, make sure that the surface of your motorcycle is cool before using Sunwash Bike Soap, then rinse your bike to remove loose road grime. For the best results, use 1 ounce of Sunwash for every 3 gallons of water, and use the Harley-Davidson wash mitt, which I have right beside me, soaked in the solution. Once you're done, rinse thoroughly with plenty of water before drying with a microfiber towel. With regular use of Sunwash Bike Soap, you'll be able to keep your motorcycle looking its best all year long. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you next time.